Today, we are going to unbox my new Apple Watch Series 10. So as I said, this is a Series 10, and I pre-ordered this about a day or two after the pre-order started, after the September event when it was launched alongside iPhone 16. And I did not order an iPhone 16. I have a 15 Pro, so I am good on that front. So again, we'll just open it here. Again, typical Apple packaging. They ship these without the need to use knives or scissors. And then here we have the watch box itself here. Whoop, there you go. I've got a bright light on, so it kind of morphs in, but I don't know if you can see it. It says Apple Watch right there. I've got a very bright light on overhead, so it probably can't see it. This is the Series 10, and I got it in jet black, which is really nice. There, you can see some of the writing there. This is the jet black color, and I'm generally not a fan of black colored electronics, but I think the jet black is going to look really nice. This is just the standard 42 millimeter model, the smallest one. And I also ordered it with the blue and red Nike Sport Loop, which is what I have. Whoops, here. This is a Nike Sport Loop I have on my first generation SE, and it's going to be very similar to that. So again, now we'll just move this out of the way. And again, we just have these little tabs here for removing it out of the box. Now, the reason I bought the Series 10 was not because I wanted to be hip and cool and get the latest product, but because I have a first generation SE, as you know, and it's just time to upgrade. So here we have the watch band that I ordered with it. It is this watch band here. And here we have the Apple Watch box itself. Now, this is much thinner than the previous Apple Watches. Now, for those of you who are in tune to Apple rumors, you know that the Series 10 was supposed to have a major redesign, and it was supposed to be called the Series X, or branded X, like the iPhone 10. But it still had a redesign of having a thinner chassis. So again, we'll see how thin it is compared with the SE. I'll put both of them on and we'll take a look at it. So again, like I said, this is in jet black, which I think is going to look really, really nice. So we've just got the pull tabs, and we'll take that off. I like the fact Apple is not using the plastic packaging anymore. So again, they have the pull tabs here, and inside here is all the documentation and the charging cable. We'll just take that out before we get to the watch itself. And I will probably not use the charging cable because I have a wireless charging stand that accommodates Apple Watch and the phone and AirPods. So again, this is a MagSafe connector, and it's also got the USB-C, of course. No more lightning, rest in peace. And here is the watch itself. And again, it's always amazing to me how small the watch really is. When you take the band off, it's really amazing just how small this thing really is. And here is the watch itself. Again, in that beautiful jet black color. So let me go ahead and attach the band and we'll take a closer look. Okay, so I just set up the new watch, and I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, there's quite a bit of a difference there. The Series 10 is definitely a lot thinner than the first generation SE. I don't know how well you can see that, but kind of like right there, maybe. Also, the Series 10 has the always-on display that the SE does not have, and you can see here that I've got both of them on. Oops, see right there. Whoop, right there. So that's basically all I've got for you. This is my new Series 10 watch right here. And so if you happen to have a first generation SE, definitely I think worth the upgrade going to the new Series 10. One thing that you're not going to get, which has been well documented, is the blood oxygen sensing. A lot of you know there's a patent dispute with another company over that. So it's been disabled in the Series 9 Apple Watches that's been available in the US since the beginning of this year. And it's also it's also disabled on the Series 10. But if you live outside of the US, you will get that feature. It's just a US problem. And, you know, you can blame whoever you want here with this, but we're not going to get into that issue. But yeah, it's a well-worthy upgrade. It's really nice. It's much thinner than the previous Apple Watch versions, and it kind of brings that ultra. It kind of brings that ultra vibe a little bit in terms of some of its features and the bigger sizes. And the jet black is, I think, really, really nice. So again, if you happen to have had the jet black iPhone 7, then this would have corresponded very well. If you still happen to have a jet black iPhone 7 and still using it, then this would correspond with it just well. If you happen to like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. That's this thing down there. Also, subscribe if you haven't, and I will try to pump out some new videos here, hopefully soon. I know I'm very lacking in videos here, but I will try to get back on that. You see something in the background here, that thing. Wonder what that is. We'll talk about that in a later video. I've actually got the video almost done. I filmed it like months and months ago, but I just need to finish doing a couple of things to it. So you'll see that video eventually about that. But anyway, that's all I've got for you. Yeah, check out the socials, and I'll see you next time.